Radio 1.
Hey, what you doing, child?
Chamaraj beat Charles.
You all heard, eh? Mahesh and Sanya did have the Grand Slam. Cha. Stupid fellas. I ain't talking about the tennis, chain. We all have to congratulate our tennis stars for winning in Australian Open. My Nana and my Uncle Roger went off for the matches, I believe. My Nana was going on complaining. She couldn't get her eyes off the balls only. Suddenly, India's doing very well in sports, child. Even our cricket boys are rocking it. They only lost the last one-day match as a discount in recession, child. Suddenly, all the Indians are hitting the headlines across the world, man. You know what, eh? Because all the headlines are printed in Indian ink. Ayo, but I felt very bad for Federer after he lost to the Rafa Nadal. But we have to respect Nadal for telling Federer sorry after beating him. Whoever said you can't say sorry after beating someone? That's what our politicians are doing, eh?
Chamaraj beat Charles.
Hey, Linda, improve your service, child. Charlie wants to play mixed doubles now.
Radio 1.